If you've ever wanted a simpler way to make money with affiliate marketing without spending hours writing content or fighting to get your sites actually seen, affiliate pages may be the most powerful tool you've ever seen. This AI-powered platform helps you build complete affiliate review pages in just one click, optimized to rank on Google, and even better, convert your visitors into buying customers on autopilot. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Plus, how you can triple dip your results using my evergreen marketing strategy that I'll share with you in just a minute. It'll help your affiliate review sites rank not only on Google and on YouTube, but also in AI answer search results as well, all at the same time. Oh, and stick around because in just a moment, I'm going to show you one secret that most affiliate marketers miss that helps you get your affiliate pages ranking inside of Google's AI overviews and ChatGPT results. So you get traffic your competitors don't even know exists. Hi, I'm Amanda Vandergulik from cleverdough.com. And over the past 15 years, my evergreen YouTube videos have earned me consistent income even when I was offline, even while I was in a coma. It's true. I've built a following of over 7 million views, teaching entrepreneurs just like you create simple systems that attract your perfect lead and convert them into hot buyers on autopilot 24/7. And because I know you're here to get results faster without burning out, I've put together an exclusive bonus training for you to help you double your free traffic to your affiliate pages. If you want me to send you the details of how to get that, just drop free traffic in the comments and I'll send you the link. Okay, let's look at why affiliate pages is different from anything else you've ever tried. So unlike most platforms that take weeks to build, this is a complete AI-powered system. Currently, it's a WordPress plugin, and in the future, it will also be incorporated into Groove funnels. So you get the best of both worlds. It's created by Mike Filsame, the co-founder of Webinar Jam, EverWebinar, Kartra, and GrooveFunnels, and his business partner, Jitendra Baswani. Jitendra has generated over $700,000 per year using this exact method. Here's what it does. Clone high-converting review pages in minutes. You literally just paste a URL and pop it in from your competitors' review pages or their YouTube video links legally. It'll then generate SEO-ready content right away, automatically, so you don't have to write a word. And then you can publish it with just one click inside of WordPress. No coding or designing headaches. And even better, it has built-in conversion boosters. It used to actually be called Affiliate Booster for that reason, like star ratings, scarcity coupons, comparison tables, pros and cons, pricing tables, and more. So you can turn your visitors into buyers through your affiliate links. But here's something that most affiliate marketers never think about. Did you know you could spend hours, days, weeks, even years promoting an affiliate product only to have it taken away from you, completely disappear overnight? Trust me, I've had that happen more times than I would like to admit. They just stop paying you commissions. Your links simply don't work. It's true, and it's us. But that's why when you do affiliate marketing, don't put all your eggs in one basket. All right, so that's my tip for you. Use affiliate pages to write affiliate page reviews to convert your warm leads into hot buyers through your affiliate link. But don't focus everything on one affiliate product. Do multiple ones. And with affiliate pages, it's so quick and easy to do. And make sure when you're choosing which affiliate programs to promote, only focus on those that will pay you at least $100 in commission for each sale. You got to make it worth your time and effort, right? Okay, if you'd hate to see your affiliate sales disappear, vanish into thin air, give me a like. Let me know that you get it and that you're ready to protect your nest and build something a little more sustainable. Oh, and remember, I'm going to share that special little tip on how you can get your affiliate review pages to show up in the AI search results and ChatGPT results. Most marketers completely ignore this. Honestly, they're just unaware that you can even set this up intentionally. Okay, so here is where it gets really exciting. Imagine you've just used affiliate pages to write your first affiliate review page, okay? You've created a gorgeous review page for the affiliate product you are dying to promote. But instead of stopping right there and letting that work on its own, what if you could triple boost the power of it? You repurpose the same copy on your affiliate review page and you create a YouTube review video for that affiliate product, which you then embed on your affiliate review page. And no, you don't have to be on camera. This is what I call part of our triple dip strategy. The third dip, I'll show you in a moment. Your affiliate review page ranks on Google. Your YouTube video ranks on YouTube and on Google. And your page and video rank in AI search. Remember, I'm going to show you how to do that. But why does this work so well? Because Google owns YouTube. Google is the largest search engine in the world, and it owns YouTube. So when you create a YouTube video that ranks in YouTube, which I teach you, by the way, how to do, then that triggers the algorithm to promote your video on Google search results as well, and in the AI search results. Pretty cool, right? Plus, you're giving Google exactly what it wants. Multimedia content, video and text. So it can give the searcher the best results they're looking for, which makes Google happy. And when Google's happy, we're happy. And of course, it makes it much more likely for your page to rank at the top and your videos to rank at the top for free. I recently did a review for Courses GG, which is another product of Mike Zane's. Take a look at the search results. Let's head over to YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to type in Courses GG review and bonus. Right, that's what people will be looking for. And take a look at the search results. I'm right at the top. And then I have another one, just a few underneath. And you can see this is an ad. So people pay for the ads. I do not pay to have the top position. And then there's another person. Then there's another ad. And I'm in the third place again. Pretty cool, right? And that with only 286 views. Oh my God. Wait till you see the stats that I have for you on how well this one is converting. Gonna blow your mind. Now let's head over to Google and I'm gonna show you how this ranks on Google. All right, let's say somebody's trying to figure out what the heck Courses GG is. What is, there we go, Courses GG. This is where the AI search engine comes up and finds the answers for the searcher. And you can rank in there. So take a look. If we scroll down, we can first see that my video ranks here. And it also ranks down here, right in the first search results for videos. But in the AI overview, you can see that I also rank right beside Mike Zane, the owner. Pretty cool, right? But it gets even better. Click on the show more. Each of these links, watch what happens. There, I'm showing up in there. The next one, showing up over there. The next one, again, and this one, and again, and again. And again, how cool is that? When you do this correctly, and especially when you triple dip using affiliate pages to build out your review site and YouTube, taking your affiliate pages copy, turning it into a YouTube video, and then making sure you do a couple of strategic things that I'll share in a moment, how to make sure that you are going to be the search results that come up when AI does the autocomplete for does the AI overview. Pretty cool, right? All right, now let me show you an example of one of my students. So Connor Hebel from Amelia Island Microgreens, he ranks for microgreens. So let me just do a search in here. So microgreens for reptiles, and we'll see how he ranks in YouTube. Are microgreens safe for reptiles? So this is Connor. He's in place 1, 2. This is an ad. 3, 4. This is another ad. 5, 6, 7. His playlist is ranking there. 8, 9. He's totally dominating YouTube for reptile microgreens. Now, if we go over to Google and we type in what somebody would be searching for. So let's say they're wondering, are microgreens safe for reptiles? The AI overview will give an answer. He's ranking here on the side, but if you scroll down, you can see he's ranking in Google. These are all his videos. But also in here, for each of these links, he's getting extra ranking. So he's there. He's all of these videos except for this last one. In here, he's both of those. This is his. This one, the top one is his. This one, that one is his. And same there. Same here, except for the bottom one there. There he is again and again and again and again. Couple beat him out there, but he's at the top and he's again down here and here and here and here and here. Well, not this one. There. One of them is not him. Every other one, he totally dominates. He's getting extra traction. And because he knows how to write his titles and show his thumbnails in a way that is intriguing and click-worthy, he gets extra people to go through his funnel. And in his case, to sell his own product, but you can do the same thing like I did with Courses GG and rank so that you're selling an affiliate product. Cool, right? Give me a thumbs up if you agree that that is super cool. So let me share how you get your review pages and your YouTube review videos to rank in the AI output, right? It's called the Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. And when you combine affiliate pages with YouTube videos, you are going to rank in both, all right? And get extra traffic. And to make sure that your videos and your review pages show up rather than somebody else's, you ask AI, what kind of questions would people be searching for when it's related to whatever it is that you're promoting? All right. And then you take those questions, you create an FAQ section on your affiliate review page and also in your video description so that AI can grab those questions and your answers and populate that and reword it using their AI structure. Pretty cool, right? And nobody knows about this, except you do now. Hey, if you would like to be the first to see my live demo once Affiliate Pages goes live, hit the subscribe button, but make sure you hit that notification bell, and then YouTube will make sure to let you know as soon as that video comes out. Or even if you just want to subscribe so that you'll know the next time I upload a video specifically for you to help with your affiliate marketing and your evergreen marketing strategies. It's free. Yep. So that was the hidden opportunity that I mentioned before that you are very lucky to now know because your competitors are not aware of this yet. Using that AEO will get your content to show up in the AI search results. Cool, right? Honestly, when you start using your affiliate pages review sites today, and then converting them into a quick video where, again, you don't even have to be on camera, you can get these results right away in just minutes. Okay, now let me show you how creating intentional affiliate review pages and intentional YouTube videos can totally outperform viral ones. All right, so take a look at this. This video that I posted back in 2011 has over 6 million views, and it's earned already over $10,000 in ad revenue. This video, however, my recent one where I did a Courses GG review video and bonuses, it only has 260 views at the time that I took this screenshot. And it made $4.23 in ad revenue, which doesn't sound great compared to $10,000, but I want you to see the math in a minute. However, what it did do is it sent 164 clicks over to my affiliate offer page. 84 of them were unique. So that means 84 people out of the 260 people who watched the video went to the affiliate page, and 11 of them bought the program. I earned $1,300 in affiliate commissions. This one happened to be for 40%. So that's what I earn, my money that comes to my pocket, $1,300 from less than 300 views. That is incredible. Let's look at the numbers. Okay, so here's the comparison. So the viral video with over 6 million views compared to my intentional video with just over 260 views. Or when I did this number, it was only at 233 views. So it's even more impressive. All right, so ad revenue, I earned $10,000 from the viral video and $4.23 from the intentional video. The product sales that I made for my How to Bake a Cake video, which was my viral video, I made $813. I sold 28 books at $29 each. I don't have my own product for the intentional video because it's an affiliate review, right? And for affiliate earnings from that viral video, I did make a couple of affiliate sales. I earned a whopping $120 in affiliate commissions from 6 million views. Not the best ROI. However, my intentional video, the Courses GG review, earned me over $1,300 from just the 233 views, right? So what does that mean? Each individual view was a value for me of just slightly less than 0.2 of a penny per view on the viral one. However, the intentional video is a per view value of $5.61. That is the wow factor. And that is a 3,100 times better ROI. So yeah, you don't need views. You need intentional content for targeted views that convert. I hope that was exciting. Was that exciting? That makes you feel better, right? Don't worry about millions of views. You just need a handful of the right kind of views to earn some pretty serious money. And I've got some bonuses for you. So when you get affiliate pages through my link, of course, no extra cost to you, I want to triple dip your results faster. So I'm going to give you 4 bonuses. The first one is a 10-day online business Kickstart course for you. You go from idea to income step by step, and you can use this specifically for affiliate marketing or even for your own products. Next, you're going to get my 13-day YouTube SEO full deep dive training. So you'll know exactly how to rank your YouTube videos #1 on YouTube and on Google for free, specifically attracting your perfect lead that you warm up into a hot, eager buyer. Then I'm also going to give you access to a 4-part goal setting and actually achieving them series that I did to help you stay focused to achieve your affiliate marketing goals. Plus, I also want to give you a 10-part How to Launch Like a Pro series. This training will show you how to launch your affiliate marketing like a pro and with confidence. And they're all free on me just to thank you for going through my affiliate link. I really want to help you build a 24/7 affiliate marketing system for yourself. Just don't put all your eggs in that one basket. Just head over to cleverdough.com/affiliate pages, and Mike will take you through a training showing you exactly how to use affiliate pages, get it set up in just minutes so you can start earning affiliate commissions really fast today. And if you've already gone through his training, click the link in the description below to go directly to access your own affiliate pages. The bonuses will be sent to you automatically. As soon as you get affiliate pages, you will get an email with the link to your bonuses automatically. This is what the bonus page looks like. And all you have to do to access your bonuses is let me know where to send them. Simply put your first name in down here and your best email address. And then you'll have access to all of these bonuses. Okay, would you like to see exactly how I structure my affiliate review videos? Head over here and watch my Courses GG affiliate review, model it, and then you can rank your affiliate reviews at the top of the search rankings as well. I'll see you over here. Oh, but grab your bonuses first so you don't forget. And then I'll see you over here. You've got this.